there, it's Erin with Time Saving Templates, and today I want to go over an example of one of the templates we have that is set up to help you track and calculate management fees that you might have if you are utilizing a management company for your rental properties, or maybe you are the management company and you want to track the fees that you're charging. Okay, so this template consists of several different pages and tabs you'll see at the bottom that we can click to get to the detailed information, the summary page, and then we have our management fee page, which is what we are looking at today. And you'll see it's pulling in all of your rental income for each property and each month, the months across the top, and we have the properties on the side. And so we're pulling in based on rental income that's entered in each property page. But this page is set up so you can either enter a monthly management fee rate or you can enter a percentage. So if it was just a flat $200 no matter what, then it's just going to populate across in the management fee for each month. Or if it's a percentage of the rental income, then we would put the percentage here, and then it's going to calculate based on that income that's pulling in. I've only entered income for the first two properties for January and February. So you'll see that if it's a flat rate, it continues and adds it to all 12 months. And then if it's a percentage of the rental income, it's not going to show up until that rental income is entered. And of course, at the end, we're adding up the total expense, which is the total management fee. Pretty straightforward, but let me go through an example of how we get this information to populate here too. Okay, so the rest of the tabs and pages are set up so that you can enter the rental income details. You can enter what the renter pays here, and then you're going to enter what you're charging here if you charge monthly rates, and then it's going to track the income totals and remaining balance if there's any. For example, if they were charged that late fee and it wasn't paid, it would show a balance until it gets paid. It's going to update based on the date paid that you enter. That's how the income is being pulled over into the management fee. There is also a section for rental expenses if you're tracking that, and there's a deposit column that will track total deposit balance, but that's just a sum of the column. So with rental expenses, you can select from the drop-down list. You might have to scroll up because there are blanks on the bottom, because you can add some of your own to the end. You could enter your expenses and the date, and then that's going to also get added into your expenses right here. And it's also adding into your expenses summary. Just going into the third one, you would name it anything you want. And then you could continue entering the information. And then as we go back to the management fee, if we added another one at 20%, then it's going to calculate your management fee. So you can get a good breakdown of the monthly total. So January was $410, just those couple properties. February goes up with that third property added. And then you're also getting a total per property here at the end. Also, you get the summary page, which is going to show the annual summary for each property along with your management fee included here in the expense category section and all your other expenses and total profit loss. And then you can also click to go to each page. Now this template comes with options up to 40 property versions. So that's 40 different pages or tabs for to track each property. So if you're using units, if you have 40 different units, you could use the 40 property for that. And it also comes in 10, 15, 25, or 30 property versions. The standard expenses is also going to be something that occurs the same every month. You could do insurance for $50 a month, and then it's just going to populate all at once. So that's what that extra page is also here in the management fee template. So I hope that helps. And if you are interested, I will link to this in the comments. And we also have a free home improvement tracking template to track improvements that you make. You can find that template also at timesavingtemplates.com/free resources. So if you're looking for that template we just went over, it's going to be under timesavingtemplates.com and then come here to property management, and then you find it in that section. Or if you want to try the free worksheet for tracking improvements first, just go to timesavingtemplates.com/free resources, and you'll find the rental property management. The free template is right here. So I hope that helps. And until next time, don't forget that we're here to help you streamline and save time when it comes to using Excel worksheets. Thank you.